very local set of people.
Hold on.
Oh, Jesus.
These are the people. These are the people Aisha consider as educated and smart.
Yeah, those are
Goya, una hear one side of the person. I no go.
Wait for here for Aisha. Mona,
see, Goya, don't think Aisha won't talk.
Okay, that's all na the crucify person because I know they hear from
wait
person.
now, wait, family, Mona, wait. Now more hear from Aisha.
No, Aisha, hold on, Aisha. Jamie here, if you do any contracts for Jamie here, and you know one time again, you are right between 14 days to withdraw that contract.
More hear from Aisha, family, one house. More hear for our presido. Yeah, presido, talk everything.
This girl, so if I just dey pay me say I no fit open my message. If I open my WhatsApp, I will screen record from the beginning of me and Ashat. Maybe I fit forward that and give you. This girl, I did live video. I did do live. If not she, I can't see like she dey ask me question. I explain everything to her. I show wetin dey inside academy. She say okay. She enroll. I even dey talk and say, please, if you still have questions, say you don't want enroll, call me before you enroll so that I go still explain more for you. When she enroll finish, I don't even know. Me just do live video finish. I just leave there. They check maybe anybody send me message. This girl, be like say maybe na the second day or that night. I don't know because I'm not sure. I can't say, Mama, I beg go. Na me enroll yesterday. I can't like save her name because I dey save students' name in case they cough. I will feel they see her. I'm not sure. Say now I'll feel pay. I want request for refund. Like you don't even already request for the refund. Now I say what happened? Wetin happen? He say nothing. Like I not just get interest again. Now I say that is not how it work. Waiting you say you want, like waiting you want do for the academy. You not see the video for there? Or is there any video where I talk for live video? Because not be who they hear, not being the judge. Is there any live video where I talk for live video say, if they inside this academy, as you reach there so now, you know can't see her? I ask her, he said no man. He said, but maybe in the work, maybe the excuse or something like that. Now I say, if you dey work, I still have other students that are working. If that is the problem.
See, Goya.
Calm down, baby.
I go calm down because I'm getting pissed off.
No worry, my love. No worry. You that small picking. Calm down. Make she talk.
Now I say because this thing you buy is a digital product. You don't go inside my academy. You watch the video. You there inside. You just dey come. You never even wait. May you watch the rest video. May you do the things where they inside. Then before you go come tell me, say, this thing, no, na lie, or na true, or I not see video, you can't come out and say, she not put video inside. Or did I call you privately? Say, hello, please, go and join this academy. Did I force anyone? He say, no, ma. I just think, say, maybe I no go fit do one. Now I say, okay, if you have any problem while you are watching the video, please reach out to me. I go explain, give you in details. Now it make me they find this girl conversation when me with her don't use talk. It be like say this girl don't even book appointment with me for a TikTok affiliate. It be like say we even still talk yesterday. Where I dey render her my service.
Be me, oh.
So what be your name?
Aisha, you know where you made another mistake.
But if somebody don't want to join any academy and after contract, they can leave.
Happy, please wait. This girl purchased your product, your digital product, and she requested for refund within 24
Mama, please wait.
Why?
Not be as they tell they say. You wait now. Now no, they let person talk because number one, I don't even want to hear the word from me.
14 days.
If I lie about
Before your contract for 14 days.
Mama, wait.
Baby girl, Mona,
You
wait.
reach out
baby
to
girl,
me.
what you talk?
You not
wait,
reach out
baby
to
girl,
me.
creativity. How did she threaten you?
So if she said I don't already enter the academy, I don't already pay. I cannot report it. She feels to me. She go collect all my details, my house address.
No, I did not say that.
If I lie,
tell you that
this night, this is the middle of the night.
Wait, Mama.
May the Almighty God punish me. Everything where you happen that day, I remember her in full details. I know the lie.
See,
Why didn't you refund her money to her? Why didn't you refund her money?
Mama, wait.
Wait,
See,
Aisha, wait.
make
You're
I
talking
tell now one
nonsense.
thing.
Please, don't be threatening people's
I
lives.
put academy
Aisha,
down.
who you when you
Don't
dey
be
threaten
threatening people.
Aisha, who you
Did I
be?
threaten
Aisha,
her?
Aisha, now so you take threaten me.
You will find
Aisha, who
somebody.
you
Do
be?
you know
Who
that's
say
a
I
threat?
threaten her? Who
Who
did
you
you say
threaten
them and it be?
Who you be? Now so you take threaten me. You guys saw
Where
the
you
record you
dey?
sent
This
me.
the where you dey? This country you dey
Now
Jamie
which
here.
country you dey, baby girl?
Creativity. Go your bed, no vex.
Creativity.
Creativity.
Abeg write me hello for
I want to
WhatsApp
speak to you,
so that
please.
our message go pop up. I want to
Creativity.
show
Unmute
our message because say una no like person, una go
This is not a
see
matter
the
of
person.
likeness. This
Who
is a
should
threat
not
to
like
life.
you? So that's what you
Aisha,
go
hold
gain. I don't
on. Can I
understand.
say
I don't
something?
get any
Goya,
problem
Let me
with
say something.
you.
Everybody
We
mute your
have
mic.
problem with
I
you.
beg.
Because
Everybody
person dey
mute your
lie on
mic.
top my
Everybody mute
head,
your mic.
una dey believe her because
Aisha, you're a crooked person. I dey sell wig.
If I lie on top of
If I
your
pay
head, make I
customer,
not better.
Aisha, you're a manipulator and you are a thief. Aisha,
who dey
first
call
of all,
me?
go down. May you go pick your call. You're a criminal and a thief. Aisha, there is what we call France law. In France law, any thing you get lost in our creativity, you do that thing. May you try am with me. Whether I not go jack by you, and you even threaten her. Who give you the audacity?
Creativity. Go
I
your bed. I want
Mona wait now. Mona wait. Family.
The money na money.
Family.
creativity.
See that your money, Aisha go baby girl. Write me, Aisha. Before me go leave you, you must give this girl money. Make me to your get peace. So you see the threat where you take threaten me and threaten her, you must see. I tell you, say you see because of you I never sleep. Oh, but this time you threaten me the way you take threaten this girl. God go punish you.
Creativity.
Me want know who you be. This girl buy something under 24 hours. She says she not like her. Look the video. Creativity. Must see the video. The video, baby girl, must see the video. She not even watch her. If you not see her, not see say she have watch her half. She stop. When I say creativity, come on camera. I put it on video call. She your starting from the beginning. She never ever watch her. Mona watch. Family, anybody when they're doing to tech, I beg, please. We should not be here to be sentimental. I say people not like you, they manipulate. You think it will be all those one. People who hungry they beat. You think hungry they beat us. We know they see you, my love.
Okay, I dey come make help una.
See, next week, I will go and report this girl. I promise.
We can't see you. We can't see you, mama.
I'm coming.
We can't see you.
I'm coming.
300 euro. The way go they tell they go say no worry, you go make money. See, Mona see where she don't only watch. Mona see the place where she all watch and 50%. She stop. She give up. Oh, we are retire for AI create. Oh God.
Because the thing is, to be honest, when I watch, I was like, this one me pay 300 euro for what I feel on for.
And she come with a threaten you say she go look for your address.
Where you dey? Where you dey? Jamie here.
No, I dey Italy.
If you boss me, for sure. No. This girl, no.
Yeah. She come with a threaten you say go look for you.
That means that man will come just now Bella. That means the man is right.
The
man is right.
Let's look for a solution.
See,
You that should
I
wait.
beg Mona write me.
Goya,
baby girl.
Goya, see
Okay, somebody say make I up her.
Goya.
Somebody say make I up her. Mona comes, everybody mute. Somebody say make I up her, everybody mute. Hold on. If you don't say this man, this Aisha does come, you just say up me. If you don't say Joe.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Please, can Aisha come up, please? I need to talk to her, please.
Oh, you know her?
I know her online.
She's coming. Go straight to the
She
point.
can see you. She can watch you. I didn't want to bring her up just for the moment. She go distract us. She can hear you. She's here.
Okay. Aisha, please, I know you don't know me, but I know people that knows you very well. It will be better you pay people that don't have interest in your marketing stuff. It will be better you pay them their money. Because when you sign contract, according to this girl now, she said she signed contract when she feels that what she's going for, she's not having interest in it again.
Come
What
I
I
don't
want
make
to
you
do.
do, Goya.
Let's structure this thing very well. Please. Let's structure
Let
this
me
thing
tell
very
you.
well.
Somebody said You can go to school, even in Europe law. See, you can go to school after 1 hour. After, if you don't go school, you don't want to go again, they get right to take refund you your money. If not be Nigeria thief, they worry Aisha.
Goya, do you know what I want you to do with your platform? Everybody that has been scammed by Aisha in Italy, they should form a group and report to you. I will represent the ones in Germany. I will go and report this girl.
Different.
Hello.
After my love.
I'm fine. Good evening. Please no insult to abeg. Goya abeg. I don't want me to insult me for here. So now everybody gets their own opinion. So I want to hear my opinion.
You're not insulting, no worry. Talk everything.
I just believe say wetin Aisha dey try to talk when be say no understand say that girl say he no want to give fine. Say make he return the money. Aisha like call it like this. Say okay, if he can't return the money now digital product now it be. If you return the money now, if you still go to use wetin you don't watch, you understand? So not be cloth when be say they'll return money.
But she has evidence. She has not watched it.
But she get the link now. She not get the link.
Once you refund the money, her access to her academy will be closed.
Great, she don't watch them. She don't watch the video.
No, she not finish them now. She not finish them.
She has already have the content. She cannot be refunded.
She can be
That's what I'm
refunded
trying to say.
She cannot. I'll tell you.
Telling me.
She cannot be refunded.
See, when I applied for master school program, you know master school, they still do all this online thing, yeah? I was with them for about 3 months. I withdrew myself because I wasn't getting the attention I needed.
Right now in UK, you know Precious, right?
I beg one last thing before I
getting refund
calm down.
Academy.
Mama Goya beg.
Said it on the
You see that what Aisha they try to talk to that girl, so even though say because me na person will be say if I watch something once I don't already pick on. You understand? Not be hair. If na hair, now not be cloth, not be shoe. When be say they'll say okay, can't return now. You not get. So I want to know now, like we now want to know say the girl now never
Friends,
put some
you are
things
just
for
speaking
her.
from your mind. We are speaking about
Everybody have this or our own opinion. You are saying
we are speaking from the law, not from our own mindset.
As I enter, I go start to make money. If I don't put the two for head, why I never make a lot of money? I never
Because
make
we are backed up by the law.
If you do contract for 2 years contract for 2 years contract, you can return it for some kind of
something. I don't they talk to I beg. Creativity, digital product. Not be the way you think and say you go enter app now, you go get money now. You have to study the app. Okay, you have to study it. Then implement.
Definitely. That not be what they talk about now. What they talk about as I enter, I say I know they do again instantly, not reach 24 hours. I ask for refund. Why she threatening me?
Amarachi, let me tell you one thing. The fact is the way she was threatening her.
Yes, that
listen to me.
Threatening am, nine no good. You get.
Listen to me. See, I can tell you that this is who this lady is. There is what we call business. Somebody can buy a wig from you. See. Somebody can buy you a wig. You don't ship her. It will tell you say not like the wig. As a good and a business idea person who knows when you have anger issue, it will kill you for business. Now what did they do, Aisha? I will say Aisha not see threatening me. I for not believe what did this girl talk. When I see the record now, family.
Yeah.
You guys saw it now, right?
She's fond of it.
Now,
she's fond of doing it.
She's fond of it. This is what she does.
Yeah.
So immediately she said, I will look for you, I will find you. This is what she's good at. You see, because I was talking about this micro shading. This micro shading not quite long. That was the same thing she did.
Take it off my couch.
Take it off. Creativity, do you have the message of her threats? Do you have a picture of it?
You have 5 seconds.
5, 4. Do you have a picture of it, Creativity?
Now call she call me. Instantly she call me.
I don't want to talk anything. I don't send you me and this girl chats. Look person where say I not do anything for her. Just look the video where I not do anything for her.
Aisha.
I want
to know why were you threatening her? That's my question. Why?
I did not threaten her. You go see say for that message. She sent me message and I call her.
Happy. Check what I want forward. Give you, make you play everything.
Yeah,
Nah.
yes, now say
So
na
But you
true.
are recording now.
Why
You
you
are
tell me say
recording.
I
You
know the
did.
lie?
See,
Okay,
can
mommy.
you forward everything to me? That could be the best.
no,
Just
you
tell me
know,
Mama,
now.
say wetin make me just do this short video for you. It's not that I cannot record it for you. Number one, she said she no use my service, but it shows that I even open UK
baby
account.
girl, creativity,
I do everything for her.
creativity. Go check Aisha, forward everything one or two get for free.
No,
Give me.
the girl go tell me if she wanted to come
Hold
online. I
on.
don't feel just bring her privacy and
Aisha,
everything come
hold
out.
on.
So that is it.
Creativity.
Yeah.
Can you try to look for Aisha and forward all your conversation with her to me, please, Mama?
Okay, stay private, please.
Okay, I am with you. I promise you with my life. Okay,
For
use
those
this
of
phone
you
number that
saying
is
she
there.
has watched the video,
Hold on, calm down. See this girl. See, baby girl, you know what you go do, because most spend extra 30 minutes. You see this girl, make she forward everything for my phone. I promise you, they get me. Aisha, if I don't read, see, we go after you go return this girl, you return her money giver. Calm down. You return her money giver. She dey whine me.
Goya,
What you dey do?
Goya, wetin I
Make
want
she no
to
report to
since the girl
ground.
dey
Make she
for
no
here
report
for
am.
you. Since the girl dey for
She
here
go return
for
the money giver. Mona leave Aisha. The only thing go make me and Aisha calm down. Now one will take get peace. Now when she don't send the money, go give her no problem. If Aisha tell me say Goya forget, you just say don't send the money, give her.
Goya, you know, for those people where they say the thing, the girl don't watch and this, that, she not go win that case. You know why? The girl not even complete a course.
cannot be
Jamie,
refunded.
And she
Wait,
has
better, Mona, wait.
evidence that
People
she
on you come,
requested
Mona,
for
wait.
it, but
Better,
withdrew that request.
wait.
Sorry, I want to say
Better, Mona, calm
something.
down. More see people with their new come. Better, Alpha.
Yeah, I do. See, first of all,
My
say she will
sister
return now
Goya,
because
iye
if
no
precious,
get
Mommy,
iye no
so,
get wife dey use your this
beauty,
thing
sorry,
take
I
dey
will
do
say
life.
something. Beauty,
leave her
sorry.
mate. That our daughter here. Leave her now. We
If
big pass all those one. No worry, Mama.
if
Better talk.
precious, if precious can refund money because the same thing also happened to precious,
Oh, that was
whereby
what I was
she did a
saying.
call,
I
she
said
did
we'll
a
go and
call,
report her. Are you
and she did
joking?
not
In
see.
Germany?
Precious
Who
had
is the
to refund
precious? Baby
each
girl, who is the precious?
everybody.
Mona, calm
Precious
down
is
now.
in the UK.
Precious no
Precious is
refund
She's
in
in
the UK.
UK. She's in the UK.
She's in
Now
the
she be
UK. She
mama of
refund
digital
everybody
marketing.
money that
Now she
that
be
she
mother.
took, and she did not. She refunded everybody money. So why are they saying that Aisha cannot refund the money?
Better. Precious no refund
Because they
anybody.
never
She
go
did.
sue
She
am. I say
refunded the
una
money
never go
on live.
sue am.
Not, she
Yes,
refunded the money
Precious
on live. I
refunded
was live
people.
on that day. She
Precious,
refunded the
I will
money.
go with you.
Precious
Precious,
refunded.
see,
I've been
She
following the case for
refunded the
the
money. I
past
was live
since
on
last
that
week. Yes.
incident
I feel
when
say
the talk
Oh, she
something.
happened.
refund everybody their money.
They
Aisha
have
go
been
refund.
dragging her.
I
Hey.
feel say
I say
something.
Aisha go see.
Oh, why you
Wait,
people dey lie now? I hate make
creativity.
person
If
dey lie.
Aisha not send you that money, ask me
I
why.
feel say
She will
something.
send you.
I feel say something.
I dey talk, my sister.
So I go the WhatsApp chat when I want send for you. I could record everything because most of the chat now voice record until they talk. And this
Okay.
screen record I want give you so you go see the place where I for report to clan and say I want my money back. Everything.
No, baby girl, I go school now.
I'll send
Wait,
it to you.
I think she
creativity,
will
you
give
know
you
what
your
I want
money.
you
Calm
to do?
down.
You know what I want you to do? Creativity, go back to your Klarna app and request for refund again.
Send me everything.
Scammer. The person is scammer. They'll give you your money.
See,
Go
let me
back to
tell you
that
how.
Klarna
See,
app,
baby girl,
creativity.
let me tell you
Request for
how.
refund again.
Mommy, can I say
Amaba.
something? Let me
They
tell you.
get phone
Let
number.
me tell
Call them
you.
direct. They get phone number.
See, let me tell you how. You see why I told Enogie she could have been very diligent to know who Aisha
Sorry, I
is.
want to go and sleep. It's
Because
really late.
you see
I
say
need to
fans,
sleep. Eh?
you see say this lady say she got it through from Enoge, right? You hear what he talk? Because where they hype am. Now wait to make me not okay, mommy. Let me check. Now tomorrow, see, they go pay you your money. Calm down, my love. They'll give you. Now that make me not want to interfere myself. I don't want make people say, oh, Goya, now because of you, I go. Now because of you. This was the main reason I told myself I was not involving myself in this kind of a thing. When I don't see the reason, Abby. Now, this lady will go to big platform. She get Yoruba community. Oh. She does not go to Yoruba community. And the fact say Aisha can't they threaten her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. In businesses, you don't threaten your clients. Your clients are always right.
Goya, what time tomorrow are you coming up? So I will know
Don't
when to
worry.
come back.
I say exactly early in the morning. No worry, more you go sleep, wake up.
Okay.
You dey hear me?
But
Make you calm
creativity,
down.
apply for your request, your refund now again. We go put leg for
Calm
you, no
down.
shaking, nothing dey happen.
When you calm down, the fact say person now don still do this thing, you can't dey threaten now. Aisha, me go na tomorrow, na this today, this na 1 o'clock because of you. Don't worry.
Goya, I want to say something. If you want to
Okay.
sign up for that Aisha platform, our academy, same as the UWA, she will click a tick line, a box there, which is saying that all digital products are not refunded. Before she purchased that course, she clicked that button, right? Try to understand me, babe. Now, when she clicked that button, she purchased the app. If she did not click that button, she will not be able to purchase that course, right? Now, she clicked that app. If creativity go to anywhere in the world, even Klarna, they will not go refund her.
But she can claim it's a fraudulent.
Can I talk? Can I finish? I'm not arguing with you here. I'm just saying what I know, please. Now, even Klarna, they will not refund her because she agreed to the terms and conditions of Aisha that
Amarachi, now because of
No,
you, I
it's
come
not
back here.
true.
I
It's
will
not
not
true
promote. Amarachi,
because
please hold on.
because
First
the
of
day
all,
that I reported to Klana, the day when I
wait,
report to Klana,
Amarachi, wait. This thing you
Klana
are
tell me
saying,
say make I
this
talk to
thing
the
you are
person when I
saying,
do business with that person. I go give me Klana even tell me.
creativity. Hold on, I better no verse. This thing Amarachi is saying, it will not work. It will not favor Aisha. You know why? She does not have any license, and her academy can be tagged as scam, as fraudulent.
Yes.
She will get
what I
into a
wanted to
very big problem, and she will be banned for life.
Klana will block her for life.
You
And
understand?
she will be
Don't bring up
blacklisted.
those things. Those things you're talking about, Amarachi, that particular agreement you're talking
And
about are for people who are licensed.
Okay.
Another thing,
Whether she's licensed or not.
another thing, let me say something. If the more she gets refund reports, she will be blacklisted. All payment gateway will blacklist her. In case of in future, if she wants to get any gateway payment for any of our websites, they will not grant her. You understand? So that's why anything refund when you get website, when you get is not nice.
All of them.
Refund customers amicably. Settle it very well because it's not a good thing. They'll blacklist
What I
you.
want people to do, those people that already
These are things people
they
need
should
to
report
do.
If
her
you
academy and request for refund.
See, there was a lady. Where is that guy? Ogasa, that you guys at work.
All of the
Osasu.
reports.
What is your name? Is it Osasu? Osasu Wane. Osasu Wane. How can I help you? Osasu Mane. I don't know. Okay. See, let me tell you what this Aisha is doing. Let me tell you why people pay. Aisha will tell you that when you join the academy, you're going to make money. Is scamming people just to tell them that you should join the academy under 1 week, you're going to make money. Don't worry, there is money. The time you are doing at home, come and register. You'll be doing this, you'll be doing that, you'll be doing that, you'll be doing this. Guess what? This is how people start paying. Where is this brother? Brother, if you know you can hear me, Miss Golden. If you know Aisha has ever scammed you, please don't be scared. Please go in. See, we need to drag this. See, anybody that is doing scam is a bad thing. You don't support people with what's it called? Criminal thing. It's against the law. And the fact that she will start threatening you, Miss Gold. Miss Gold. She will start threatening you, telling you this. That's how she was threatening me because I talk about the issue. She started threatening me. She called it threatening me. You don't know, say me, okay. You say you na Yoruba woman. Maybe now what you tell this creativity. Me will tell you say me na Bini girl. You know you know Bini. I go tell you say I be Bini girl. You never see anything. You are a thief. I will say that again and again. I told you the only thing that will make me to keep my mouth shut. Where is your certificate? Where is your license? That's the only thing I'm looking for. The only thing I ask you again, where is your license? If you show me your license, what's it called, Aisha? You see the way you see, Aisha, you send me this lady's record, send me your license. I promise you, I will shut up my mouth. If you see me talk to you again today, I will not. The
Goya,
threat is the
not even
problem.
only
Yes.
nonsense. Let her send a VAT number. We want to see if she have any registered business.
She start threatening me. This guy was telling me, you will see. You, hey, Goya, you are not Bini. Oh, Goya, talk everything. They play. You dey get me? Me go tell you now, no worry. I be Agbo and Bini. May I talk everything? My pa na Agbo, mama na Bini. You don't know mama. May I call mama for your head? You go wrong. Hey, na me they go church, oh. Na me they go church, oh.
Report this girl. Like 5 or if you don't
Thief.
report her, that money, that girl will get problem for this Dutchland.
Thief.
She'll
You
get
who see
problem.
threaten the girl?
I'm aware.
Hey,
As a business person, she for call the girl beg her. With a
beggar.
thing, if you bet that girl,
Okay, see Bella don't come. Bella don't come. Bella. Okay, Bella. Okay, wait, Bella. I'm not wait. Who will be all this one? May I bring Bella up? Hold on. Now say the same guy where if I talk say that scammer. Hold on. Wait, Bella. Hello, Bella.
They say when you remove your background, though, say they're not they read well.
Hello, my sister. Now what I do? Now make me not
Alpha.
I did. Now my school. Now what I did? Now make me not quit the talk. Now make me first come out. No way.
Okay. Bella, when you pay, what to make you register? Now, which how you take no this Aisha, another person don't come oh. Inena Bella. Aisha, you don't get another customer.
No, no
I bet
worry.
when you
No
pay,
worry. Since you say you're deadline tomorrow morning, that time you don't reach, I'll close by 6. Then I'll join you. I don't sleep because of this matter.
okay, come with your real account, I beg.
Yeah, no problem.
We need to sue this guy. This you see this woman, I get more than 3 people.
that app first, tomorrow morning if you go ask, first report the app. Report her. Send a
Yeah.
scammer app. Report her
Yeah,
first.
that's what we'll do. Then I will call you Goya.
Request for your money through
May you show me
Klarna.
first how
Report
to
it
do
as
the
scam.
refund. So that may I carry.
Yeah, I said that money she will pay you. Now if it be,
Yeah.
I say now you be the first person where don't tell me say now so they take go pay. And people they pay through Enoge because when they know Enoge platform, you they get me. Now so people say they pay. May you fair your go work, they work tomorrow. I shall not worry. We go bring people. You just a shop 300 euro for people head. I first tell you say this thing
Goya,
wey you
please, this thing, structure am very well. The name, the address of the people, the proof of payment, and their conversations. As far the girl they live for Germany, we will take her down. Because you
I
cannot be
say may you
scamming
calm
our
down.
community. Everybody came here to hustle one way or the other. And
Hold
you're
on,
scamming
gold.
us.
Hold on, glory. What take carry you come? Bless na network carry her come. Glory na network carry you come. Na TikTok. Ew.
Aisha, the big girl.
The big girl go call the
Try.
threatening. What a cockability. You call the
Aisha, only you want go tip somebody DWA. Only you want come license, only you create, only you want license, you register for. Only you want just they talk like. I bet you will feel like today is the bad day for you, girl. I bet today is the bad day, bitch.
I say me wanna leave that sharp.
Na good morning. Goya, na
Good
good
morning.
morning. Goya, you know
Ma.
wetin this Aisha me for see fall for a trap.
Oh, happy.
Na my
What?
husband I see save me. My husband call listen
Mumu.
to my husband call listen to a video. You know what Aisha talk? He say Euro people too dey dull. He say Euro people they be literate, they not go school. He say we not dey educated.
No,
Yeah, he
that's
say
bad.
Euro people they literate. Euro people they not dey educated. Me think say na even UK dey o. So Jamie here. Single mother children not reach and chop. You not reach Aisha shop. Aisha, I think say na UK you dey. I don't say na Jamie here na you dey. See your life.
The thing is that
See
she
your
dey
life.
surprised say she meet ladies
They
like
look
us
say
here
people wey dey
today
Euro, they look Euro
because she
people
thinks say
like
everybody they are
sana.
just
Say people
dumb.
not go school. Say
Yeah.
people wey marry wey even marry women for her. Say all the men they be literate, their wife they be literate. See your life.
Can you imagine?
Come and explain yourself with your wig wey be like willy
Say
wig.
that. Did you really say that?
With wig. See wig wey they wear for
Yeah,
head. Wetin dey chop
that's why you guys good happy. You heard when I asked her the
with wig.
importation of
See
wig.
your wig in a wig.
Yeah, the importation of wig. Have
See your
you
life.
tried the vendor? not be on a shut me up. Because I been want ask her if your wig importation is legit and is solid, why will you be putting on such wigs? Yeah? All our wigs are just I don't know. So now this kind of wig, all this kind of vendor, now you won't give people.
Before you enter wig vendor, you must know about wig.
You understand?
You must know about
I ask her the question.
About oh my God.
Me when I don't do her business, not be today. I ask her like, this your wig because of the wig where she wear. I don't understand.
I bet why your moderator
Aisha-
they drop people? Moderator, calm down now.
Aisha dey explain himself. He don dey swear for Ikpekus. He dey swear for under Ikpekus. Enogi wife no go sleep. Mama Nora no go
He's so
sleep.
rude, so
Mama Nora, you no go sleep. What you dey explain? What you
always
dey
like
defend?
she knows
They
it.
say make you
all.
come defend the house now when you register with 600 now. You fit
Always
defend am.
bragging.
Eh?
Oh my God, that
They
lady
say
need a lot to
Aisha
learn
comot prick for
when
your
it
photo
comes to
this night.
business.
Aisha comot prick
No,
for
no,
photo this
because
night. Why you not comot prick for your
you
photo?
were here now. Me and you can't even dig her, they support her. Right?
Yes,
Abeg,
now.
Goya, you try. Goya, you try. God bless you.
Amarachi, you really
Nonsense.
tried there. You tried to really support her.
Amarachi and Goya, God go bless you now. All of now,
My God.
wait talk for this issue. God go bless you.
The
now.
thing
I
is
don't know
that
if
all these things that
Person wey no
she's
sabi
doing,
computer
she
wan
did not
sabi
know
digital
that
market.
Goya's platform will expose her because she was trying
At all,
to
she did not know.
threaten Goya. You
Yeah,
understand?
imagine.
To shut her up.
To shut her up,
Understand?
yeah.
Because she
I will
felt
sue you.
Goya
I
is
will
not
sue you.
Digital
intelligent.
business that
You
she's
are.
doing.
No, you know what?
People
Her
It's not all about
biggest mistake,
advertising.
her
It's not all
biggest
about
mistake this
advertise. To
night, and I
advertise,
send Goya that
this is what
message.
I'm selling. No, this
Yes.
is all
Una
about.
no
It's not.
sabi
It's
say
not.
she
That was
no
her
send
biggest
that message
mistake.
for
She
us.
made.
Funny enough, it was that
Everybody
Division of digital market.
for business where you not register. For license
But
where you
that
not
message what
get.
she sent for you, now see make all of us there, Sito. Go ahead
Yes,
for that.
now.
Eh.
You want to
And for
spoil
that
That's a
everybody.
brother
fact.
now.
Too.
Una no say for those
How
people
person
na
to
like
learn
that.
You
micro
want to
shade for
illiterate people.
How
Abeg,
person
make
will
I just
take
talk
learn
something.
micro shade for
May I just
line.
talk one thing, abeg.
Oh,
May I talk
hey,
one thing? See, you know, when I call this woman, because me and she, we don't talk one-on-one for WhatsApp. So when I call her, the way this woman takes sweet talk, as in, see, person they would pray, say, may you fit overcome temptation. This woman had temptation, eh? The way she takes sweet talk the thing, eh? You go to say maybe now one, as in, when she takes sweet quote, it say under a week, her word now they quote, so I know they talk maybe, she say, under a week, so I don't start to dey make money. That's what she said. So I tell her, say, she say, yeah, but me, my intention was not go there to go register. I just want to hear what she want to, because me, I don't really know, say, all those digital something, road not there. If you know they intelligent, you know if you do that thing. If you don't get the brain, you know if you enter that kind of thing. I mean, a person like me, I mean, if you do that kind of marketing something, I never even get the patient itself. But she told me that under a week, say she go put microbraid this side. Say if that microbraid don't enter, say she will call they charge 500. You know, go they collect 300 again.
Listen to me. Let me explain to you. You fit get that money under a week. You know why? If you are affiliating for our academy, right? But
Yes. You can only make the money through affiliating. Yeah.
yes, but if you are
You
doing
go
job
to
with my sister,
you
have
will
to
get the money. Yes, that one, yes. But it's not good. If you not be like her, if you not sabi advertise, you know if you make the money. If you are slow, if you are not smart, you can't.
Now make her she before need people like Costa will call the help her
Yes,
they
now make her
affiliate
need
because
to
they get
now. More
our
than
own
the help
share.
and they push her. Yeah.
Now make her need us, we go they push her and
She
we'll give
herself,
her
she's
your
making
share.
the money through affiliating. Say condome. Sorry.
The affiliating,
Yeah,
we
she's
say the
affiliating.
affiliating.
She's
Now we tell
My
those
affiliating. Yeah.
people.
my sister,
They no
let's
get
assume
Goya,
say,
Goya,
let's assume
Goya,
say,
eh?
talk and say, if you know that you are educated or you know about computer, come and register. If you know you don't know about computer, please don't come.
Exactly.
It will be
She
okay.
have to
This
be
one are
plain.
both dormants,
I don't
going
see
Goya,
you.
straight,
Goya, let me
both
tell you
both do.
something. There's something you need to tell your followers, I
Rubbish.
beg. Make them know they do contract based on phone call or voice messages. If the girl wants to convince you to get into our academy, she should write it. There should be a formal agreement. You understand? Everything should be official. All this one that people are saying, and she called me, she convinced me, now I can't pay, now I can't pay. No. Yes, I'm telling you, that's how it works. So if you want to
Yeah, she's right.
if you want to get into somebody's academy, they will send you a full paperwork.
You
They will
sign.
say you should agree to it. You will sign it. If you cannot sign it digitally, you write your name, your full name as a signature. You understand? You submit it. All those things, you people did not do it. That's why I said her arguments are baseless. If she takes it anywhere, we will win the case.
Okay,
If she takes it
Amarachi, that's
anywhere.
how you do yours, right?
The app
Amarachi.
is too much. The app is just too much. It's too much.
Amarachi.
Talk to me. Yes.
Question is, right, Aisha, why is there no information? Because if you want to buy a digital product, right, you open the app, the person's platform. You're going to scroll and scroll and scroll and read about it and stuff like that before you click buy now. Why is there no information about your digital products on your website? Girl, you know,
Yeah,
say
play with
my
Klarna because
question.
she's using Klarna also.
Because
This
the
is
web,
exactly how my
because the
husband explained
website
it to
is
me.
copy and paste.
My husband told me
It's
that if
copy
I'm
and
ready,
paste.
that
Yeah,
he will
why
do
is there
research. He
nothing
will do
here? Why
research
is there
for me.
nothing here? Your thing is empty, girl. You stole this shit
They
from
are,
somebody.
That's
You
why he's looking
stole
for
it.
people that is not well educated so that they can be able
You
to
stole
create.
it.
That's what
I made mention
the
of it
academy
earlier
is
on.
not
I made mention of
properly
it earlier on.
structured.
If I should come to your website, I can't find any information. I'm not buying your product.
You
that's
stole
why I
it.
said now he's looking for
So
people
when
that
you see
cannot read now.
uneducated people, we are not a targeted audience. Abia that they speak on. So let it be, anyways.
Targeted audience.
Now what did she talk? Oh, she said we are not understanding anything.
Yeah, we are not. We are not.
Okay, we are dumb
Whatever.
now. We
We
are
are
we are
dumb. We
dumb.
are
So
dumb.
her best friend said we are dullard.
Yeah.
Especially,
That why
let
she
me tell you.
explaining
Where
explaining
I
to
where
dullards
I was
like
beginning.
us.
See, I was trying to like, okay, more go sleep, more your liver, it do that. Now when she come go show me that face of micro shady, she say if that face, no, hey God, this woman don't cry me. He say if that face, if he put her for the academy, he learn from her, he go put her for the academy. Who saw it now? You guys were here now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
That's it.
You can
You
actually
there
get it
now?
from someone that is in Europe country, right? Aisha, let me give you this idea. Because me, I dey like help woman like me. Now, Aisha, listen, if you are seeing this video, you can actually leave that person in Nigeria. Someone like Goya now, she's certified because she has a store and she's also
I
in
have a thank you.
wait, Goya, let her talk now. And she has a certificate which is recorded in Europe country. It is registered. Now, what do we do? Someone like Goya can teach, right? Now you can tell Goya, I want you to teach.
Now, this is the UW, this is the UW, this is the AW, whatever. You see it?
Okay,
You
let me
see,
show
this is the official website.
Look at the website. Don't say.
This is the official website. Why does your own don't have
Very,
official
very
website?
professional. Yeah.
Yes.
Very
I
professional.
can even
Why
go,
you
yes.
see?
Yeah.
Now
Very
you go
professional.
down, it said buy. So why does your own does not have anything on it? So you come to this platform, take whatever you
The
want to
main
take.
focus is just for them to pay. That's
Precious to buy any platform. Muna the reports me ogun out this swear
no,
for
na
now.
because of the drink, na that drink.
Which drink?
As Joshua. And when they all drink, see all these people.
I saw. Got you.
And I make and then she say, you know,
So you came here on the platform, get their thing, go to Precious Suba and listen to her teaching and stuff like that. You went to see this woman's thing and then put it on your platform. But where you are a businesswoman, like I said, you know, Moki Mugu for Gama shop.
Maybe just period.
na Yahoo na.
Happy, should I tell you why she can't do that?
Yeah.
She can't do that because she's not registered.
never finish.
You know, before you can set up a payment plan on your website, there are some requirements you need to meet. Do you understand? They will ask you for some registration numbers and everything. They want to see that, oh, you're really certified to sell a product like that online. Forget Google, not a craze. So
Our website.
you understand my
the
point?
website.
If you don't get all those certification, you cannot
Which
have
host?
a payment
Which host should they use?
pattern.
What
She
host?
doesn't have a payment pattern.
Is it WordPress
She
or
doesn't.
Shopify?
This is her website. She doesn't have nothing on it. Look at it.
Just look at our website.
This is hers. She don't have nothing
No
on it.
information. No
He
vital
only say
information.
buy and
No
click. That's it.
information. That's it.
Yeah.
Empty.
And this stand that she's talking about, I hope she tell people that you have to also pay for this stand to use it. Because stand is not free. You pay for it. My question that I wanted to ask her, right, was how many stores do they create from our program and what app do they pay for using her digital marketing thing?
I
You
also wanted to
understand?
ask her because
Yeah,
she
because
keeps
in this
saying
online digital thing, you have to have store, you have
she
to have
keep
stand, you have to have
she keeps
Pinterest,
saying
you have to
on her
have all
videos
this stuff.
she kept saying, I go open website for you, Shopify, when you go to sell your book. I wanted to ask her if you teach them how to create website. Do you also teach them how to search engine automation? You teach
And
them
the
that?
fact that the way she would talk, you can see her English like it's
Because you teach them how to create website, put product for them. If the website not the generate sales, it's useless.
Yes, fact.
It is useless.
That's a fact.
I wanted to ask her this
See,
question, but Goya
I
just the
get
disrespect
Goya
person, they drop me. Goya, no, call your platform again, no.
not vex
Yeah,
that.
small, only
That
small
word where
thing
you
like this.
talk,
Don't they
not vex
vex? May you
mommy.
calm
See,
down.
I
let
said,
me
say, if
talk.
I see happy for you, I
Goya,
go come.
Goya,
Which
Not
vex?
vex
Not be
Goya.
me
mommy.
and you.
Now wait, not vex mommy. Now when you take us say
No, you don't even
you
make me land. You don't make me
I
land.
no not don't they sorry for
You
thief
don't
for
see the
not trying.
tense. The lady just she dey stressed and she still argue. No, I'm not
Because na
stressed.
thief now you just when you catch thief they are not always happy now.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Somebody
You
say,
just see
Goya,
you don't know say one thing about thief.
The
You
sad,
the
the
one
sad
thing.
thing, the sad thing is that the girl is very clueless. As in, she's
I
just saying
imagine
things
check her
based on the
website, baby girl. Put that website again. Her thing are empty, no
Me,
protocol.
see,
Even me when I get shop, baby
Goya,
girl. Me when I get
with
shop,
waiting I don't know about,
imagine
with
nothing,
waiting I don't know
nothing.
online
Imagine
and
just go and
everything,
pay
I
direct.
can't purchase
Imagine.
anything. I don't fit put my card for this website.
Exactly.
Umbano.
Wetin do me
It's
be
not
this one?
possible.
Because it's
Wetin
going
be
for
this?
people. That's why I
Goya,
told
It
you.
is not
If they go
possible.
people
Goya.
who are not dey educated, let make I tell you, say
No,
why you
no,
not
no,
go
no,
Yoruba
no,
people
no,
Oh, now you
community?
no.
let me dey talk. I go here. I go saga
Sorry,
you.
mommy. Oh yeah, I'm not vex. Talk everything. Not
First
vex,
thing come
apropos.
say for the comment section say me I go start. Me I dey coach people. Even people wey I dey coach, they no dey do this thing. They no dey sell online. They are selling their products privately, which is on eBay, and I don talk am before.
I
And
also I
I
also
tell
do
them,
coach. I also do business coach
okay.
privately. I don't do digital coaching,
Okay. I
right?
do not have academy. Do you understand? I am in a legit academy. Even Happy did the academy. She can testify to it. Now let's leave that aside. Goya, I go tell this lady where they call Aisha, if you want to bring people that are doing microblading and you want it to be legit, bring people that are in Europe working, pay them. You don't want to spend money and you want to make your academy strong. You know they're possible, right? Pay people money. You can pay someone 2,000 euro, 3,000 euro. Please come and teach my mentees how to do this microblading. Or rather tell them after you pay that person money, you go say, okay, I want big seminar. Offer them and they give you idea because me I'm a businesswoman to my brain is full for
Yes,
idea.
you very smart idea. Yeah.
Yes. Do seminar, bring that person where go teach
Get a
them.
space, rent a space,
Yes, you can
invite
put three
Goya
times
to
in a
come.
month, three times
Yes,
in a month,
good.
or 4 times in a month, right?
Yeah,
That is how to do business. You pay if you pay somebody like Goya, say, come teach my mentees.
you go
How
rent,
to
you
do
go
microblading.
yeah,
She go
book
rush.
Goya.
She
Mm-hmm.
go rush come.
Yeah,
She go
yeah.
rush come. Do you understand? That is how to do business. But you see, they bring her from Nigeria. They bring
It
her
will
from
be
Jamaica.
physical
Yes,
class.
these people are coming from your academy, right? You put it, you set the date. In the UWA, people are doing things and they will set dates. Every day night they teach. You go see person where they teach about dropshipping, Amazon. Every coach, every day night they teach. And this that is Precious is paying them salary. She pay them to do video. They pay them salary to come teach the students every day. You can do something like that. You don't want to make your academy, you want your academy to go, you have to spend money. You have to hype it. You have to give
Use
it
the
that
money
level.
they use the money they buy lion they send
You
for
understand?
TikTok
I don't teach
rubbish.
you how
Most
to
anointing. Another illiterate. Now she dey send the lion go give.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't tell her I make her employ you. Oh. So if you don't employ you, still give me my own share because you still give me my share.
Asha do, come mommy.
Abeg which
Yeah,
time you
bele.
go come live tomorrow?
She no sleep today, I swear.
My own is that make
No, she
Aisha
not
just
believe say today go be problem for
refund
next time.
money.
No, not
Make
the
she
threaten
just
person, yeah.
refund
She no
money.
just good at all. She make mistake. She make mistake.
Don't threaten people next time,
Make,
girl,
make
because
she go, make she go build, make she go build that website very well. That website is a trash.
look like shit.
Question, oh. Me, I'll still ask my question, oh. Me never ask a question. That's why I need one. You must show
Abeg,
me.
I wan follow you. I dey hear about this Shopify. I want to know more about it. Let me follow you. Abeg. If I even go pay, I will pay to learn it. Okay.
Shopify, okay.
I'm following you now. Follow me back, Rico.
Me, I'm a faceless account. Oh, hope you know.
No problem. The profile is
Keep
not.
the face like a can.
No problem. I'll follow you back, man.
Mommy, this is a piece of advice to you. Oh, consider your business, but make sure you are transparent because you might just meet the worst set of women that is worse than us next time. So we are very nice. We are trying to tell people, calm down, no insult,
It
just
was
calm
annoying. We're
down.
just too calm. It's the
You might
insult
meet
I
the
don't
worst
take.
people. You understand? Because here now, educated grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, now with the year. Illiterate's not the year. We reach that kind of different grades for year. You understand? So, like you say, you are not literate, so you don't understand what it means to be literate. I got you, girl.
Happy man, I swear.
It's what she said. She said she's not literate. She thought she ate, girl. She thought she ate. I
Yeah.
bet you thought you
You
ate.
said you are
She needs some
uneducated. I was
money. What's
cracking
happening
out
bad?
so bad.
Back.
I was
Maybe to the
cracking
money
out
back.
when she said uneducated people. I was like, what?
So some people, right? People that don't know what English, like you speak English, but if I ask you the meaning of what you're speaking, you don't know. But hey, we listen, we don't judge. Mommy, next time, right? As an adult, when you're in public, before you answer people's question, if you don't understand, tell the person, please, can you repeat your question so that you can find a way to answer your question?
Maybe she
Because
thinks say she
your German education, your German language has to be from B2 to C1.
Oh, yeah.
and babe, you know one thing, she could not even defend. Oh, it was so
I
annoying.
told her to talk everything she was
Her
explaining
to
to me
talk
about her business
in German.
to translate them in
Oh my
German.
God. That should have
That should
been
have been a fastest thing
a
for you to do
proud
because you're a
moment,
business person.
like
That should have been a proud moment for you.
time.
You had the whole ground. Explain
You
to me
understand?
as a German person, as an foreigner living in Germany, not living in English country. You live in Germany. Your company is registered
I was surprised,
in
like,
Germany,
she could not even-
non-English speaking country. So now I'm telling you now, can you talk to me? Can you
And she kept
describe
saying,
your
I
work
have license.
with Dutch?
I have license.
You couldn't. How is my business if you have license, if you register your shit license? I don't care. Talk to me with German, like, because you cannot just go and register a business without attending 200-hour course. You have to attend less than 200-hour course. You have to write an exam. You have to bring a lot of papers from Germany. If maybe you went to school in Germany, you have to translate all your papers. You have to do Anekano. You have to put all your papers in Anekano. So have you put all your papers in Anekano?
Yeah.
No. Now what have you done? You think we don't live in Germany, girl? I live in Germany for fucking a decade. And I went to school. The fuck you talking about? I'm telling you, talk to me in German. You say everybody German they had. Come on, not be everybody German they had though. You get people when I speak more than 7 languages. I'm fucking multilingual. Not be everybody German they had. You understand? So at least I still want to people. If people say they talk, I at least come outside, say read and write and explain myself and talk anyhow. Have a whole conversation with Dutch, right? But you as a business owner, a registered business owner, that means you have qualified and went to some certain level of German education, and you couldn't even talk to me with German, explaining your business. That's fucked up.
People get behind.
Going far. You're talking about German self. Simple English. She had
English,
2 years to convince us to sell her product. She couldn't say nothing.
Do you know where I run away from her? Where she was explaining about the digital business that she's doing. The worst thing that she just said that just annoyed me. I can help you to set TikTok shop. A TikTok shop, it take 2 days to set the shop, to arrange the shop. I was like, What this
That
woman is
was
saying?
okay, my lady.
These are the
See,
things you're asking me to come and pay 300 euro to
yeah,
come and
there
then
was
have
there
to
was a
set
time when
up
she
shop.
You can't set up your shop yourself.
yeah when she
Eh.
started there. So
like me
I
now,
asked her the
like me now,
question. So
I
you can
register.
okay.
Like me now, I register, but no be the way she take explain her. No be after you don't make payment, like our own tone go change. Like before I make registration, she tell me say anytime we be say I don't need her, if you just call her, she go your me put through, like I go put me through ASAP. After I make registration, like I can't dey ask her some things. She go tell you say, okay, you need to call for so
Clients don't
week.
come.
You need to call for 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time. E good like they give you time where you take call them. And
Okay, you need to book
no be
appointment.
yeah, she could tell you say, okay, you need to call me next week. Even if say you need that thing ASAP, because like waiting really make me register be say, okay, I already dey do TikTok shop, so I just want like the way Mama Nora cut they talk, say like to get free sample, can they like do the normal way of free sample, you could just dey like more faster and all of that. So I can say, okay, me I want still they say that they use money till they find money. So I can say, okay, my still
Free sample. You can
try.
easily request it on TikTok. Oh Jesus,
Yes,
you people
no,
should.
like no. The
Joy,
way she
Johnson
said
Joy,
the
Johnson
no, the
Joy.
way
See,
the
someone
way
will
she
get our
said it.
academy, eh? Let me tell you something. Person will get our academy. We have 7,000 member. If I chat Precious now for WhatsApp, she go answer me. She get 7,000.
This
You understand?
She
this
go put
one was
get
we don't
employers
pay.
too. So get people wey
Was
she
we
want
don't pay.
employ.
Let's go check.
Want employ to the help am.
Thank
Na
you.
business you want to.
This one not
I want
be
to
even
do.
employed. Now she go answer
Because
me. She go answer me and she will attend to my need.
Start
Right?
finish. Let's hear the full story now.
Yes, hear her now. Yeah,
see,
let's hear her own
Go
side.
on,
like
Joy. Sorry, go on.
like the way she go say like job like Mama Nora because because of the way Mama Nora cut it talk, now it
You
make
dey
me
cry?
register.
You dey cry?
Huh?
You dey cry, Joy?
No, I no dey cry. Oh, no say time don't go now. So I say sleep. I think now say make I
So Mama
send
Nora come
request.
waiting for a side sleep. I'm a bo.
No. We need to leave me.
The most painful part be say once you don't
Una leave
register,
me Nora beg.
the voice
Yes,
go call
Good.
change. Nobody will ready to
yeah,
talk to
so
you because they talk to you
yes.
again.
Because the thing is that I noticed that after the payment, because me I also pay with client. After the payment, like her weight can't change. The way she take talk, like the way she take ginger, you say if you under how many, if you just register ASAP, you begin to dey make money, all this kind of stuff. And number two, she now also tell you say if you don't still register, say you will still need to register for other apps to still take like
Thank
do
you.
videos.
God go
So
bless
that one I
you.
just
Thank
go,
you.
okay, now what they call a chat GPT. They say I need to subscribe the other app, and each academy get different app where you be say you need to register to come
Abeg, which app? Let us
to
know
do all
the
these
app.
things.
Which app should they talk about?
And
So like
Happy, you ask her this question.
Stan, Spotify, Spotify. What is it called again? Hold on, let me get
Spotify.
my.
What's Spotify doing there? Music
We
join.
want know. We
Chat
want know.
GPT
Not
is also
Spotify.
there.
Sorry. This market.
Chat GPT. Chat
Shopify.
GPT is there.
Shopify. Yes. Yeah.
Happy, let us
Canva,
know.
especially Canva.
Well, you
That
can
shit
use
don't
free
function
Canva.
without
You can use
Canva.
free Canva. You can use free
Happy, they
Canva.
give am expo. I don't like this.
You can use free Canva now. I do
Look
use
at them
free
right.
Canva.
Look at them right here. Dad.
No,
I do use
so
free Canva. The
Dad.
CapCut. You
Put
can
me
use
on a big
CapCut.
screen.
Free
Put me on a
CapCut.
big screen, baby.
Yes,
You have to
that.
pay for that.
Wait. Now
You
that
have
they
to pay
know.
for
Now
this.
that they know CapCut. CapCut. When we don't know 10 years, 15 years, 12 years back.
Peace, Mudia. Mommy,
Una
wait
they give
first.
this woman expo. She
You
did they
pay
for
for
everybody.
this.
Now
You pay for
they
this.
give her expo.
You have this.
Tomorrow
You have
now
to
just
pay
say she
for
go come
that.
they
You have to
display
pay
for
for
that
You
this.
one.
You
need
have to have
CapCut.
this.
CapCut. You can still use it
Happy,
free.
they give am expo. You they give
They are
am
There's a lot of
free.
app
They
you
are
have to
free
pay for.
version.
Talk to na happy.
They are free. All these
Mommy, not
app
vex,
you can
mommy.
get free version. Free cap.
all
You can
these
use free
now
cap cut. They have free caravan.
Johnson, are you in Germany or Italy?
Joy, are you doing drop shipping or what? We won't know what you do when you
So,
need order.
Mona see you. I wanted her, Goya. I wanted this woman to show me her app, right? You see this is her profile, right? Like if you come here, you are going to see our classroom calendar. The time our teacher have a class for everybody. She will be here. She's not going to be on TikTok. That's why I asked her, how many times do you do one-on-one classes with your people? She said every day. That's a lie. You see, the next one is this. This is the next meeting. Now, this was next meeting. They finished. I didn't attend. Now, this is our class, right? If you come here, you're going to see the next one. And it is not possible for you to be here every day. That's this Zoom. All your students are going to be here. I was asking her, how many times? She said every day. Girl, who the hell you think you're fucking with? Me?
No, she doesn't do any class. No class at all.
You don't do classes. You are on social media every day trying to market your program, and it's okay. But why are you lying that you do one-on-one classes? You do WhatsApp classes with your people? This is a registered platform.
Let me quickly say something. See, if you know you are a lady, you've registered in this woman's page. See, there is different ways somebody is stealing money. Let me tell you, imagine this woman. See, family. When I said we are family, if you guys are not seeing it, for us to take this woman down for stealing, imagine this woman is getting 5 people per week. Calculate it in a month.
I bet Mugu from Grandma shop.
On the 20, is it possible for me to physically withdraw from Kleiner?
Yeah, you have 14 days. Yes.
Repeat yourself. When did you do it?
On the 20.
On the
Baby
20th.
girl, why are you calling me to take
Yeah,
a
sure.
card? Why can't you? Baby girl, why Johnson? Why can't you?
No worry, follow me. I'll teach you how to do drop shipping for free, okay? I'll teach you.
Leave her first. We should go before that place. Go before.
You have 14 days to withdraw, girl. You can withdraw 14 days. 14 days is not yet.
First, I call you, ask for help. If you reach out to say every day, he'll say for WhatsApp.
Okay.
How don't pass 14 days? I don't see my
No. Creativity. You know why your own is different? Creativity, let me tell you why yours is different. You already requested within 24 hours, but you were threatened. If your own go court of law, the girl go pay you crazy. I'm telling you. If you want somebody to handle your situation, give it to me personally. I will help you handle it personally. You don't have to pay me. You don't have to pay me. I will just take the matter to the offices that needs to handle it. And you will get your money and you will get damages 100% back.
I don't follow you a bit.
After I don't pay money finish.
But first of all, request for that refund again.
I don't ask me what to explain to people. Say make people go register because me that I just registered something with 300 euro.
Yeah, I'll check it. I'm joking actually.
See, so the most part she will be showing money that she already collect from people. This money that I make, this money I make this money under this week.
Goya.
Wait, what are you saying? Miss Purity, I want to bring Johnson. I need your platform. Purity, please come up, my love.
Yeah, don't worry, may come down. May people will fit talk. May they come.
No worry.
All right, Michelle. These people so Goya, they say she know they go school. She know they do class. I don't understand. Happy.
So she did TikTok in the morning till night. That lady did TikTok.
Happy. I don't know what I hear again because I don't understand.
She always on TikTok.
What's happening?
Looking for new.
Always having class, right?
So today is the highest gaslighting anybody a woman like me has ever gaslighted me.
Hold on, somebody is coming up. Hold on. You guys should calm down. See, I said this woman know what she's doing. I saw how get
all of us.
All of us. She gaslight all of us. We never sleep. We never sleep.
Shit.
She know what she's doing. Hold on, she know what she's doing. Do you know what? The very first time, let me tell you one thing. The very first time I talk about this woman issue Two girls came to my platform. I didn't take it serious.
Oh, Jesus.
They say what happened. Immediately they pay for the woman platform. After they don't pay, they don't even understand anything. The woman go say, you go call them, say, hello, what you now understand? You go say na AI, they go, they look. The money when you say you want come make, you say on that 1 week. What time are you coming live, Goya? See, don't worry. You know, not say because of my work, mommy. Mona, no worry. So the girl now told me, say, when you go there, you don't say anything. The woman go, they say, me, they watch video, watch. Watch one, watch two.
Surprise. I can't
say
watch
nothing.
video. Oh my God, they pay me.
I mean, watch, because the videos we did themselves, if you see them for YouTube, watch. We can't go Grok,
I beg, stop saying you watch any video. How many minutes is the video? And you still did not complete it. For the fact that you did not complete it, you did not consume her products.
I did not consume anything because that video that I watched, you can easily see it online, even on YouTube. Very easy.
What do you not understand for this thing now? What do you want more people for you?
The people where she paid to teach, like even their own teaching self, because they screen record what they do. Like they very, very confusing because the people where in Nigeria, because now so you can't do this one, you can't wait or you can't finish. And all these things they take time. The way they explain, now you can't confuse. The app where they show, the app name not the show where. So my 300 euro, justice for my 300 euro, and the money what I register for ChatGPT.
What did I say about
So since you carry that
Aisha?
300 euro now, go keep that dinner.
She's too
Collect
desperate
better
for
water,
money.
water. Eh?
She's too desperate for money that she could not even wait to put a website together, make the website more professional, and give a good content for the money people are paying for.
Aisha, if you don't want us to talk,
She's
I know
just a
people will
greedy
tell you.
businesswoman.
That's why you see. I not say you don't go say they no get back. Make you I no get they thief people money. I'm not they fear anybody. You see you tomorrow, I go beat you tomorrow today. See, I hate thief, you know. And no get now go on live video say whether I send the people. They get me. And if you hear what creativity talk, a lot of people don't want come out because why? They don't want and no gay. If they take his share 159, the Aisha they give a no gay.
Una go report all.
You know what thing? You don't say. You know when they talk this thing just now and no gay, they say go on live video. They cross me.
And not just they report her, she will end up.
People no want come out. People no want come out because they don't want saga. You hear me? See, I tell you, women.
Goya, if they report them legally, fear no go let them on camera again. It no go on camera threaten. This not Germany. This not big Nigeria.
I'm talking a baby girl. That's why I told you.
She will land herself in big problem.
For this business, before Aisha can't call us, Aisha fair go look for people when be say, you know, if they go engage, may I tell you what to be criminal, don't fair go they stay with police. Don't let police to become their friend.
Many people love money.
Not in Germany.
Well.
So what did they do? No, not what Aisha do. I'm talking about Nigeria. You know, say Nigeria now. So what this person do? Aisha do now. He could go back up with Enogi. So that you see when they talk this awareness of what is going on, Enogi go on live video, one call the saga me. Enogi, you know, say I not reply you because if I reply you, what I go want to I not feed one again. This is an awareness. This man Enogi needs to stop because he's making this girl to thief money from people. Happy, I beg, if you not happy, show me that website again. Mona see, even me when be hairstylist, go. Talk about call Goya. You'll see, say I give my things when they do. I put everything. There is a write-up and all. Mona see the threatening when this woman threatening. I'm not getting for a no get, but you say Aisha now today I go face you. I think you say you must return creativity money giver. If not, you not go see peace for this TikTok. This girl tell you say me you reform back her money, you steal her money. You say because you don't watch her. Nothing there your page, nothing. Now just for people to pay. You are a thief. You are a thief. And Mama Laura when they make mad say, then make these people see where una no know as people say they work money, hard working. When people go work hard working money, the money when they say okay, make they say make more money. I don't blame people. People want to earn money.
Goya, do you know what I want you to just be telling people on your platform? Everybody that has bought the course, whether it's more than 14 days or anyone, or just be requesting for your refund on Klarna so that they can ban her.
I said, please, Johnson, Mona go put on now, put in a scam. Mona go click. May I put like my mom is here. Mona see websites. It is an uneducated person like Mama Laura. Now she follow.
Wait, let me say something. I know about websites a lot. This is not even somebody made measure is a landing. It's not even a landing page. This cannot be a landing page. There's no home page here. There's no landing page. The logo is so unprofessional. It's so quack. The website, there is no information. No one should install
information.
Their card. Their
This
credit,
logo is from somebody else.
Information.
That logo
is from somebody. It's for the main person.
No, it's created with Canva. I can go to Canva. I'll screenshot it. I'll go to Canva.
I created my own.
I'll bring it out. It's a very. This cannot be a professional logo.
Just check
Yeah.
Nothing. No inform. No
information. It's not well constructed.
The only place I can
website is not well constructed.
Even when I'm paying, there is nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing
There's
for
no
you.
Goya, I am begging you.
Let me see the
Let it be obvious.
Babe, let me see the check out.
Everybody should request for refund.
Let me see the check out screen. Wait, let me see the check out. Go up. Let me see.
There is nothing on it.
No, I'm checking out. I'm checking out. I don't even have the information of the website. I'm inserting.
Yeah, there is nothing I'm paying for. Nothing. There's nothing.
Oh my God. No information. You guys, where they go?
Information.
On our card information. No.
See the terms and conditions. Say she not they pay back.
It is well. This is normal now. Every website on average.
You see the information there.
But every website has it, right? But why my own is different is that she's not registered.
Website, I need information. When you open website, when you click link, it has to take you to home page where even if it takes you to landing page, you can. It is very important to get the information. Okay, there should be information concerning the company or the whatever the company. You understand? Every information should be there. Why you are paying money? What does the website stand for? Everything. You should get information. You should read it properly before it's seen.
Guys, she do not accept refund.
Everything.
She does not accept refund.
She did not do refund. She don't do refund.
No.
Yeah, it's
she
normal.
does not.
But the only way Klarna can refund them is fraudulent.
She does not do refund. But because before you, and this is also a lesson to everybody, before you pay for somebody's stuff, you need to go and check their terms and conditions.
Klarna can refund them. If more than
wait, so not be their fault. That's not because wait. Let me tell you, that's not be because as you go and know the platform, they also make their trust and try.
Let me say something.
You still have to go and read the terms and conditions, girl.
Let me say something. If you should refund, if you ask for refund, say man speak pidgin for you. If you go ask for refund, say you are not satisfied with the whatever, they will not refund you because it's stated there. But if it is like scam, kind of 1, 2, 3 persons report, they're gonna refund everybody. I'm telling you the truth. It has happened to me. It has happened. They will refund if 100 people don't make payment.
Now we mommy they talk to her, they talk to her mirror.
She will be in trouble. She will be in big shit. I'm telling you the truth.
See, Goya no one hear word though.
If
Goya
FBI
beg
knows
now
to come
help these
visit her.
people.
If
Goya,
I
one
say
thing,
no, we
please.
no dey shout.
four,
Mo fair dey
5
shop. If you
persons,
not
I'm
sabi
telling
me,
you.
me fair dey shop. Me fair dey shop. Mo na
Tag
scam.
am so that everybody go they request their
I'm telling
I
refund.
say
you.
make
The
I
more
fair
they
dey
waste
shop.
time, the more it's difficult.
Goya, you know one thing about
Report
people
it
for
as a
this.
scam.
See, Goya, let me tell you something. People for this app, I notice they too dull to the extent when we say if who they talk truth, they will look at like, who are you? I'm telling you this. If
Nothing
one
na
thing,
jealousy.
yeah, if 3, 4 people report, I shall go. If now 100 people, now I don't pay for that website, I shall go refund all your money. I shall go bankrupt. FBI even come visit them. I swear, I tell you.
See, peace.
Before you
If
know
the
it,
fact say she called the threat, una see the threat.
before you know it, Incasso go send a letter.
Now they tell you
Because
FBI,
Klana
like
gets
yes. She
called
think
the
it's a joke,
threaten me. Hey, Aisha.
She thinks it's a people will not
She
I'm
think
not
it's a
here.
joke. Wait.
Goya, might tell you something.
It
I be
go
one kind
shock
of
you
person.
today.
Waiting I don't know, I know they talk anything I don't know. I don't have knowledge. I don't know anything. I don't say. If people just they talk, I'll keep quiet.
Which I
But
guess
when I
that.
dey talk something, I know my first website ever, somebody used a stolen card there to buy something from my website. Wetin happen to me? No, I no fit even explain am. They freeze all my payouts that period, and some of the product I already sent them out. They started refunding people. What happened to me? Jesus. I no fit. That's why if you order from my website, if I just see that red this thing, oh boy, I don't care. I dey reject that order immediately. I don't care if we say I go because you can check it if it's actually fraudulent card. I'll check the IP and everything. Sometimes I do know like this person now maybe, but I know I don't even the risk scam again. I go just refund you. If maybe you can't chat me like I made order and I was refunded, I'm like yes, because it seems a fraudulent purchase, so I have to refund you. Not there for that one, no. So I'm telling Aisha, if Aisha know it's good for her, may not they do this show, she go enter big trouble. Big trouble.
Good morning.
If everybody refund, if you ask for refund as you are not satisfied with the service, they won't refund you. But if you ask
That's why we are saying ask as scam.
As a scam. As a fraudulent,
they will refund
and because
you
and
100%.
another thing, the website is not constructed, is not well constructed. Those are the things they will go check them. They will go see the website that is. It looks like
guys. Let me tell you what Klana does.
You know how they label that kind of
if you
website?
request
A
for your
similar fraudulent
peacemaker
website.
Peacemaker, let me tell you what Klana does. If you request for your refund as a scam, you know what they will do? They will contact the company, like Aisha Digital Wellness Coach, I don't know. Then they will request for her authentication, her certification. Do you understand? To sell digital products in her place of residence. If she cannot provide it, or she does not meet up the expectation, they will now rule it out as scam and she will be banned for life. And let me tell you what they do. They will report her to other financial this thing, you understand, institute. So she cannot use Klana what's the name of this other one? N26 what's it called? They will blacklist her on bank, on everywhere.
Everything, and
so
she
that's why
cannot
I'm
use
telling
any
people,
other payment gateway.
Request as fraud. Even if you have paid 3 months ago, still request as fraud, so we can get as much people as possible to report her as fraud.
For me, I will advise her to be calm. Anyone that wants refund them amicably, like peacefully. No need to call the do show. All this brag where she they brag. I go sue you, madam. You don't pay lawyer money before. You don't.
Like say she never know it be lawyer.
You don't pay lawyer money. You want sue everybody. No, they feel everybody that they threaten you. What you do? Which business you don't do?
I go
Or
send
maybe
you
potential
the. I go
business.
send you the.
That's true.
Make I send you the picture when I take
She
report
brags too
or
much.
payment when I
Babe,
do.
send me everything today. I
She
say I need
brags too
proof.
much. She should calm
Baby,
down.
baby girl, I don't want to talk about your matter this night. Now tomorrow morning.
Make she
Give me
calm
around.
down and make she tell her godfather may stop to the saga people.
Question. I not fit shout
No,
my
leave
language
her,
here
leave her.
around.
I no gay, I no gay, I no gay. We no know as people say they work. We no know as people say they work them for their money. He go put the woman make cause they scam people.
Oh,
No
Goya.
worry.
She should calm down, because we
Goya.
educated people
Please,
wey know
guys,
Goya,
say
calm down.
if you people need
Oh.
anybody to go to any
I don't
office
send that for
in
you.
Germany, I beg more than contact me. I dey like this kind matter because I dey get percentage from am. We report cases like this.
What's
Sure,
happened?
you understand? So if you guys want to take it personal, please, I need the list of everybody she has scammed. Every
Baby girl, do you
evidence
know
as
what?
possible.
Write me on my
So
WhatsApp.
I can report
DT.
directly and I can be paid for it. Please, I beg. They
for
pay
me,
in
I will beg
Germany,
her to be
you are
calm.
being
She
paid for
brags too
it.
much.
In
She dey
Germany,
talk.
if you can report a genuine case like this
She dey
of
talk wetin
fraud
she no
to
even
criminal
know.
police, you are
But
getting
she's
paid.
calm
Please, I
down.
beg.
That man too. She said he will be coming with his life platform.
Nobody
This
is
thing.
attacking her.
Bella,
No,
please write
nobody
me
is
on
jealous
WhatsApp.
of
This
her.
is my phone number. Write me on WhatsApp
She
today.
said
I am.
we hate her. She said we hate her. Meanwhile, they support her. And they
You ain't
even
the
We say
support
we
and
hate her.
things, yeah.
We don't. Which time we don't take day yet? Family. Which time we don't take day yet? We don't day yet since
I
what
beg,
time?
I,
Yeah,
beg,
we'll
I
go
get
sleep,
something to
but
talk
tomorrow
now.
I
Not to
get.
carry me come up. Oh. Happy.
Okay.
I beg. As if you go that side, don't go tell me say you mistakenly go press pay. Oh. I beg you never give money this month. Oh. I don't want your story. Number one.
At your husband, at your boyfriend. Not go get boyfriend.
Number two. I beg. I don't know why now they jealous the woman for me. Auntie, I beg.
Jealous?
Auntie, I beg. I
You
want
dey
as they
jealous her
draw
because she
tattoo.
not
You fit
give
teach
us
me how to
lion.
draw
She not
tattoo
give
for the
us lion. We
website.
dey jealous her.
You fit teach me how to draw
God.
tattoo for the website, eyelash and nails. Because if I
No.
feel learn micro braid, you're supposed to feel learn how to draw tattoo.
Exactly. Can't tap shit, tap shit.
So
No,
if
I
you
won't
feel
learn. I
because
won't learn.
me,
I won't learn.
I want to
I won't
ask you how
learn
to tip, so how to cook, how to teach
importation of
something.
beg.
wig.
Happy they do the same work with her. And they do the same work with her.
And then they do the same work with her. One man swear for you.
I won't learn importation
Which
of
kind of
wig.
allegation be this
Why
one?
they buy all those are wig where she dey wear?
What do you want jealous for her?
See, let me be
They
serious
get
for
her
1 minute,
money and
right?
they get
Let
my
me be
money.
serious.
Or you're
Let me
trying
just be
to
serious
be
for 1 minute,
you're
right?
trying to be positive.
I listened to that woman speak, right? And I don't blame her. You know why I don't blame her? Is the level of people that she think that she's coaching. Because you think marketing is a joke? Do you think it's a joke?
That bitch call us dumb.
Do you think anybody can just do marketing? Do you think this is my dad they sell rice and still come and buy? Any Asha, I beg go. See, I saw say the money not they come out from my pocket. It's none of my business.
Exactly.
Because for
From
you
their
to tell me
business.
that you are into
Amarachi,
affiliate
someone said
marketing
you should
and
not
you are doing
advertise here.
microblading in Afro,
You
are
don't
you
mind that
serious?
idiot. Don't come with different accounts since now stupid human being.
Mommy, I bet you go teach us how to cook a goosey and jollof rice for inside the market, you know. Because if you fit teach us how to draw macro, that means we need to learn how to draw tattoo also,
Wait,
eyelash and
I
nails,
even
you know.
asked this woman, can you tell me the difference between
I heard it.
physical
I heard
and
it.
digital?
I heard it.
This
Like
a lot of stuff without saying
she
nothing. And then I said,
see,
okay, do you consider microblading as a physical thing? She didn't even answer my question. Oh my god.
Microblading is
I'm
not a
fine,
physical.
come on, yeah.
Oh
Microblading
god.
is not physical, a physical
See,
thing.
for me, for me, mommy, anything will rock your boat, you understand? Hey, mugu for my work, so
Am I
mama
welcome?
chop. Chop, oh, show me, I not to say if me I register for your DC, you go teach me how to draw tattoo. And you go teach me how to fish eyelash and nails because I don't know what you want to me. I go learn macro to the do.
I keep saying it. She did no, she's a bit market. If na me be her, I go use all this strength to go start.
No, please,
So the
please. She don't know how to market. Let me tell you, she don't know how to market.
She's a bit
No,
blah
no,
blah
no,
blah blah.
no, 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 no.
She's a bit she's very she's a bit
Please, do you know the reason why
convinced
you think she
people.
know how to market?
She's
Because
a bit convinced people. Trust me.
no,
I know
she
what
know
I'm
how
saying.
to convince
her set of people.
a set of
Yeah,
people.
but what's the customer? What they call it?
See,
They call it
let me say
algorithm.
something.
That's
Right?
her
Let me say
algorithm.
something. Right?
Yeah, no.
I see people. See, I'm going to say this respectfully. I see people saying, "Oh, nah, no." Listen, even as me, her, and no girl cannot market affiliate marketing for me to buy because you know nothing about it.
Exactly. For
So
me, I will
because
never.
you have the numbers does not
Mm-mm.
make me.
Yeah,
No. It gets some
you're
people
right.
will be
You're
saying the
right.
market. You be like now to say you dey tell me
I will
say
never
very
fall. I
dark
will
man
never.
because say get numbers for this thing. Congo the advice. Congo they tell me to say this is the best place where they chop food. No, that's not your feed. It's not your feed.
But and everybody are not like you now, because
But
not
I
be
say
everybody
now
be like
they get
you.
money. You know say poor man thinking like us they different though. As I did say if 10 euro come out from my account, if they pay me, if they take me 3 months to recover. I
Now
beg.
greed, now they do them. They won't make money fast. They won't make
Yes.
money
Now what
fast.
see?
What they tell you now?
Now waiting they
MLM.
see now waiting they surprise
Greed.
me for Africa person.
They tell
Person
you
go your
say
come meet you tell you to
in
say
2 weeks
if
you
you
begin make
register with
money.
300 euro.
Now if
Listen to
now
this
so
thing
it be,
even
I'll
makes
put on
sense
my
for your
family
own ear.
members now.
Just tell
Why
you
you
to
not
say if
put
you
on your
register
family
with
member?
300 euro in less than 2 weeks, you don't dey cash out
Yeah,
3 million. You not go
yeah.
ask yourself if it's that
Now greed.
easy.
Yeah,
Why
greed
the
me
person not
anyway.
pour a family member?
300 euro where reach me to take go buy night wear, can't they say? Go buy pajamas. They
Since
say.
this year, me don't see 300 euro.
When I go, they say I go dey TikTok, they ring bell put. They say you can't go pay for person where you cannot
See,
even
my
express,
it gets some
cannot
kind
even
of things where say
defend our
person go take.
market,
It
our
gets some kind of things where
business.
person go take. You go ask yourself, it's too good to be true. How person go take?
Yeah,
If you tell me I'm
they are
going to teach
greedy
you this thing,
people,
little by little, it's going to come gradually. It's
and
Guys,
they
understandable.
are
let
doing
me tell you what happened to
So
my
you
sister,
telling
yeah?
me in
Let
less
me tell
than
you what
two
happened
weeks
to
I'm
my
going to be
sister,
cashing out
guys.
millions? Are people poor for your family?
Guys, let me tell you what happened to my sister. This one is not for digital marketing. No. This one is not connected to digital marketing. But you guys know about this Monjaro and Ozempic thing that was raining one time.
yeah,
You know,
last
my
year.
sister is on the bigger side, so she was very desperate to get Monjaro or Ozempic. So she went to the hospital. So the doctor now told her, the diabetic doctor told her that, okay, before we can put you on this thing, you have to try taking other medication first. If those medication does not work, then we can now put you on medication therapy, what's it called? Diabetic therapy, because she's overweight. It's actually disturbing her breathing. Okay. This girl now went behind me. After I showed her the legal way, my own sister went behind me and contacted some people on a Telegram, on TikTok, on Instagram to buy Ozempic. And at the end of the day, the thing now turned out to be a scam. They collected her money. This one did not go through Klarna. She paid almost 600 or something, and she transferred it from her bank account, her Spakase bank account. So when it was time for her to receive her goods, another strange number called her that custom held the thing somewhere, that she should pay 100 or something euro. So she ran to my house and told me, how is she going to do this now? They say custom has held her. I said, this particular thing is a scam. Give me the number, let me call. I'm into tech. I first tell you, say, I get first degree, second degree. You understand? They were now jamming. You know, when you're making a scam call, you will start jamming the network. So immediately I ended the call and I went into my PC. I put the number in and I started calling again. Everything I could see about it was fraud, 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 fraud. The number was not even registered. You understand? So if you say custom held it, that I should call this number, it should show custom number or DHL number or German custom, you understand? It did not show anything like that. So I just thought, I said, these people, they've scammed you. Let's go to Spakase. We went to Spakase. We went to lay complaint for betrayed, like for fraud. you know. Then Spakase now told us to go to police to report the case and bring the police report. We went to police, we reported the case. They told us to come back. They gave us the paper or they gave us the pishide, and they told us to come and speak about it after like 2 weeks that somebody's going to call us, of which somebody called from the police station. We went there. Do you know that we had to take a lawyer? They reported the case and they froze the person's account. But for us to get that money back, because she sent it voluntarily, directly, not through credit card. So she did not have that bias protection. Because normally when you use through Klarna or any other platform, they have automatic bias protection. But if you send it directly from your account, there is no bias protection. You have to follow legal process, which takes a longer time. You understand? So when we got it, we took a lawyer and everything. This case lasted for like 6 months. And then the account she sent that money to happened to be a Lithuania account. We requested for the person's address, everything. That's what the criminal police in Germany requested for. They showed us everything because they sent all the information to our lawyer, as in my sister's lawyer. And then they now called us for hearing. We go court for this matter, you understand, to express ourselves, because those people, they rejected it and said it was not a fraud. So the court here now called for us. My sister does not understand German very well, so all of us, we packed ourselves. Even the court provided a translator for us. We go there, we go talk with him, we know. Do you know that about 2 months later, that person's account they used to collect that money, that person paid. What that person was the one that paid for all the problems.
Hey.
The person paid our legal fees because the lawyer won the case. So in Germany, when I don't know if they do it in other part of Europe, but in Germany, when you win your case, the other lawyer or the other person that you won against will pay your own legal fee. So this particular person, where they use the account, they collect the money from my sister. So now he pay all the legal fees. Now he even pay her for damages and stress. So that's 600 euros, 600 or something. When she pay, now amounted to about 3,000 something where they come pay my sister.
Oh my God.
So why I'm saying this thing, it's not to confuse anybody. It's to encourage those people that have been scammed that this is Europe, this is Germany. If we can fight against a case from Germany against someone who received the money in Lithuania, why can't we handle this case? Why? Abemona tell me, because we just they talk for here, and nobody don't bring up a structure how we can help these victims.
The victims.
All this creativity and Johnson and all these people, Bella, all these people where they come up since, all these people are victims now. You know,
I know, but are they willing? Are they wanting is for you to say?
Yeah, if they are not willing, they will not come to Goya's platform because they feel like, oh, we have been talking about it, and Goya's platform is a large platform, so they are willing to even speak about it in the first place. Now, help they just need. I don't know if you guys get my point.
Yeah, I get you. But I not
exactly. So why?
I wish your sister not get that money back.
You will be bad person.
I'll be bad person
you be bad person.
How you go there Europe? You see free sort where because they for who do it for you free. Now because they get money now.
No, because people convince them now, my darling. You don't see the way people they talk about Ozempic. Even our celebrities, they were talking about it. A lot of people felt victim.
In Germany, they would have even done if she was that really big.
And funny enough, see, sweetheart, I'm diabetic, right? I get this medication free, but I cannot give it to my sister. You know why? Because they calculate the amount of dosage they give me. So if I give her, I will be short of my own medication.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand. This thing, this medication, you will just pay 10 euros for the first minimal dose. Then for those 12 mg, 15 mg, all those top one, you're paying 30 euros. You pay very small. But my sister was impatient because she wanted to use it for weight loss and get her self-esteem back. So you not go blame her now.
Why should not you go do ghastly?
Gastric, yeah.
I don't know. But she fell a victim and we were able to fight it. So I feel like this one, we should be able to fight it for
As
these
she win
victims
the
too.
as she win the case, so that money she was just going and do the gastric because now
Yeah, because that's it.
No, she has gone back to her diabetic doctor now. Wait, doctor time for
If
the
her
program
diabetic
now.
doctor can tell her, she can discuss it with the doctor. They can fix it.
They didn't even give her Ozempic because she's fat, but she's not diabetic. You know, Ozempic is
Oh,
like a
okay.
diabetic medication. But they put her on another kind of medication, like Saxenda, you understand? And it's working for her. So we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about trying to help these people. Because fraud, I swear to God, if you have your evidence correct, you would get your money back. And you will even be paid extra.
See, yeah, true. But babe, see, I know that some people have come up to say, oh, they were victims, right? But make a break if that people are still willing to be like, okay, because one thing is for people to come here and talk or send message,
I'm
but
very
are they
willing. I just
willing
want
to
to know
actually
Tyrone
pursue the
Otikom
case?
live tomorrow. I'm very willing.
Okay, good. Thank you.
And to
Because see,
for these victims, they were also threatened though.
I'm
They
going to
were
say
also
this, right?
threatened.
I don't involve myself in anything marketing because I know people that do marketing. People that go into marketing, they would say their student the truth. It's not a quick money. Like it's not a quick money.
No, it's
It's
not.
not quick money. It's not. Some of themselves see they go normal job. I don't know the one where people say they'll turn and say in less than 2 weeks. In less than 2 weeks, but that person get person where they send money for Africa. You not go put the person to make get money in less than 2 weeks. Sometimes in the market to give you now, whether I don't know whether the tea self they shackled any asha. To me, I feel lazy people. I feel just so people wait till they do it like that. You two not thief. Because how you go to say less than 2 weeks, you register for something that your tissue less than 2 weeks, you make 1,000 something. Now you get the company.
No, it's not possible.
Less
I
than 2
beg, oh,
weeks.
even like say somebody send me DM, say these people they use juju, oh, they go injure you.
Why did you do
They
not
go
work? Why did you not
they
work
go
for you?
injure me. You can't do anything to me. They
Why
should do
did you
juju.
not work for me?
I
Why
think she's trying to say injure, not wunjure. They
injure?
go
Yeah, I
wunjure
know.
you.
See, one thing about Africa, if they don't forfeit if they call it, I don't know what you put for mouth to talk to you. Why business now you the team work for?
They cannot use juju for me. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Okay.
I don't hold anything against anybody. I'm just saying the truth.
Goya, Proko, Pasha.
I beg, make we take am easy, all ladies. We should take
Happy hope say you don't said anything. I don't know why you talk say you don't send me money this
See,
month.
darling, Amarachi, the only way we can take
Yeah.
it easy if she comes back to this platform to apologize and refund
If
creativity
you apologize because the
and
people
this
will not
other,
what will go happen.
she should refund creativity and the other lady her money. I be the other guy his money because we can only defend the people that are coming to this platform.
Wait, see, as much as